Oh, I'm sorry, I did not see that. That is not him. Do not look at his eyes. They will kill you. We all know Schwarzenegger is no rock. Shut up. Jesus Christ. That's for blasphemy. Don't sniff. Oh God, here we go again. You know, can we stop using the exact same voice for two characters? It's very annoying. How about you, dear little Joker voice? You know, you never asked me that. You know, you could have easily asked me that. Because Batman is gonna kill you. I'm going to do that again. Seriously, don't. Why? You scared the shit out of you? No. Shut up. Fine. You know, it really shouldn't take you 8 seconds to answer a question. You know, what laugh is that? What are you, beans on toast? Oh God, now I'm laughing like that. What laugh is that? That's like a mix of all types. Why so serious? I'm evil. Oh God, you're worse than I'm evil. You go. I'm an elephant. You will find you in death. We will break your soul with the triple I. Oh God! I'm Mr. Earl. Know my name and die. Oh God, I should shiz my pants after seeing Jessica Simpson strip down. Oh yeah! The true Trumarf. TotalBiscuit. Ah, purge the unclean. Call the exterminators and the hizzy. Please! Don't look at me like that, Dr. Smith. It's spines. I will tear this world and I'll be king of the world. It's not that what you see is what you get, but I can be a very persuasive person. How? For example, there are many monsters in this world and I'm one of them. Give me a gun. Oh, certainly. Thank you. Dr. Smith, if you remember it, I'm you. Already saw that already. You know, I've seen that 1 billion times. So shut the fuck. What the fuck was that? And not the conclusion of this video. I don't know what's coming. I'm sorry, you need to take it over toast. Cheerio, beans on toast.